In the bustling city of Bengaluru, the Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board has taken a decisive step to combat the looming water crisis. With acute scarcity threatening the region, the BWSSB has prohibited the use of drinking water for non-essential purposes. This includes activities like washing vehicles, gardening, and even entertainment features like water fountains. Malls and theaters are now mandated to use water solely for essential purposes such as drinking, road construction, and cleaning. The BWSSB's decision is rooted in the necessity to preserve drinking water for the city's 14 million residents. As temperatures rise and groundwater levels deplete, the conservation of this vital resource becomes paramount. Violators of the order face fines starting at $5,000, with additional penalties for repeated offenses. To enforce compliance, the board has established a dedicated call center for reporting violations and ensuring the equitable distribution of water. Chairperson Ram Prasad Manohar emphasized the importance of water conservation efforts, particularly in areas not serviced by Kaveri water. With a daily supply of 1,470 MLD, the BWSSB aims to meet the city's water demand. Meter readers are tasked with monitoring for violations, while citizens are encouraged to report any misuse. Collaborative efforts between government bodies and civic organizations are underway to address the water crisis and regulate private water tanker prices. Recent interventions by the Karnataka government and district administration have sought to stabilize water tanker prices and prevent exploitation. New pricing guidelines, coupled with GST regulations, aim to ensure fair pricing and accessibility to water resources. Private tanker operators within specified distances are now subject to fixed rates, promoting transparency and affordability in water distribution. These measures reflect a concerted effort to alleviate the impact of the water crisis on Bengaluru's residents. In response to escalating concerns, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has directed the BWSSB to take control of irrigation and commercial bore wells. This proactive measure aims to address the root causes of the water crisis and ensure sustainable water management practices. With collaborative initiatives and regulatory measures in place, Bengaluru is striving to navigate the challenges of water scarcity and safeguard the well-being of its communities.